Hey everybody, Brooks here with YNP Home Solutions, your local home buyer here in the tri-state. I'm standing right outside of a property here in Hagerstown, Maryland that we're going to be closing on this Friday. This is a situation where the property owner has had it for some time, had good intentions to come over and fix the property up. It's just that plan just never came to fruition. So they gave us a call. We came out, took a look at the property. I think we negotiated or agreed upon price early February. There were some title issues with this property, so we got all that cleared up, and here we are ready to close. So if you have a similar situation, maybe you're a landlord here in Hagerstown, you're tired of dealing with either the city or even just dealing with tenants or owning property in itself. Or maybe you own a property like this and it has been sitting for some time and isn't getting the right amount of attention. You just haven't been able to get over here and fix it up. Whatever the case is, if you're interested in selling a property here in Hagerstown, Maryland, as is for cash, I'd encourage you to give us a call. You can reach us at YNP Home Solutions, 240-244-3953, or go online at ynphomesolutions.com. Fill out a short form there. Someone from our team will give you a call, schedule a time to get on the phone. Come out, take a look at the property. We could be buying your property in the next 7 to 15 days. It's really that simple, guys. So don't wait, don't delay. Give us a call today, 240-244-3953. Thanks.